Very good morning to everyone. So, in this module, we are going to start a new chapter of class 11th English Core Silk Road. Students, it's one of the most interesting chapters we have written by Nick Middleton. I hope you will read the chapter simultaneously and understand the important points. I will try in this module to make you understand all that which is necessary as far as the understanding point of view. So let's start the chapter Silk Road by Nick Middleton. So Silk Road is written by Nick Middleton. He is a Royal Geographical Society award-winning writer and the author of Travelogues. You know what is Travelogue? It is a book of experiences written on your own travels. So he used to travel a lot, and a lot of travel experiences he recorded in the form of his own book, and one of the experiences is mentioned in the form of Silk Road. Let's know more about the chapter. So he is a Royal Geographical Society award-winning writer. You can see the picture on your screen. He is the writer Nick Middleton and the author of Travelogues. So what is the relevance of the title? You all know that the title of the chapter is Silk Road. What do you mean by silk here? So for your understanding, silk refers to snow, and the roads and the mountains of the snowy area, whatever he has visited, is actually referred to Silk Road. So the Silk Road refers to a network of overland routes linking Europe with Asia. Now the introduction of the lesson. So the story is written by Nick Middleton, and this chapter is about the narrator's journey from slopes of Review to Mount Kailash to complete the Kora. To bid him farewell, Lamo gave him a long sleeve sheepskin coat. He hired Satan's car for his journey and took Daniel along to escort him to Darchin. So these are the places which are mentioned in the chapter, and he is going for his tour to Revu to Mount Kailash. Now this is the important vocabulary list which I have given to you. Ducking back means quickly going inside and then coming out. Maneuvers means military exercises involving a large number of soldiers. Billowed means filled with the air and swept out. Sweat means literally a long strip of land of scratched snow. Cairn of rocks means a pile of stones that mark a special place, such as the top of a mountain or a place where somebody is buried. Carried down means descending the slope. So students, do write all these important words in your copy. Now in the starting, we will see the protagonist means writer wanted to go to Mount Kailash to complete the Kora. He hired Satan to drive him up to Mount Kailash. So he is the second character. As a farewell gift, Lamo gave him a long-sleeved sheepskin coat. He took Daniel as his companion till Darchin. When they started the journey, Satan took a shortcut to the southwest, which was a direct route to Mount Kailash. They had to cross high mountain passes to reach their destination. Satan assured him that it would be no problem if there would be no snow. They crossed through few gazelles, a herd of wild asses, and sheep tending the forks. When they reached the hill, they passed dark tents, which were home for nomads. He saw Tibetan Mastiff standing outside the tent as a guard. These mastiffs ran after his car as he reached near the tents. These dogs had large jaws. As soon as they entered the valley, they witnessed snow-capped mountains with rivers flowing, which were blocked with ice. When they were riding through the hill, the turns became sharper and roads became bumpier. Citan was driving in third gear, and the protagonist could feel the pressure in his ears. He held his nose, snorted to clear the congestion. He checked his wristwatch. They were at 5210 meters above sea level. Then they reached their first hurdle, which was a road filled with snow. Citan threw dirt on the snow and drove carefully on that road. They resumed their journey. The protagonist felt his head was hurting. He took a few sips of water from his water bottle, and they were still climbing up the hill. They reached at 5515 meters above sea level. There they stopped again, and this time the fuel tank hissed when Citan unscrewed the top. As the petrol was expanding due to low atmosphere pressure, Citan told them not to smoke around it. So he is quite experienced, we saw. And in my next video, we will continue the chapter. Please follow the next video for the completion of the whole chapter. Thank you.